Hey guys, this is Liz with Mom's Machines, and today I'm going to be making some soup in my crock pot. So let's get going.
Here we go.
Okay, while my bread machine's going, I'm going to get the crock pot out and make some soup, basically with some leftovers and some whatever else I can find in my kitchen. Okay, so in my crock pot, I've got broth. Instead of buying vegetable broth or anything, I've got, I cooked collard greens for New Year's, and I've got all the broth left over from it. This is my collard green. I think there are some onions in here too that were cooked, so this is a nice broth, so you don't have to waste it and throw it away. And I'll probably just rinse the cups out and throw it away. Rinse it and put the water in here. And so you can hit select, keep warm, low, high. I'm just going to cook it on high, and then I'm going to do it for a couple hours and maybe 3 hours, and then do it from there. So this is basically the broth, and I'm just rinsing them all out. That's what I do with all three. Now it's time to put in whatever vegetables in your fridge you want to get rid of. Onions, whatever. Onions. I only have one hand, sorry. All right. Gonna try to do this with one hand. Tomatoes, without putting the whole thing in there. Okay, tomatoes. I am just gonna put some peas in there. Even though they're sweet, I'm just gonna dump them in there. And then the chickpeas. And I like to leave the juice. You don't have to, but I just leave the juice to have more. Green peas. Not sure if that's gonna go well, but oh well. And then garbanzo beans. Don't know how much salt to put in. You can always add salt. And then I'm just going to throw some spices in. One thing I really like is white pepper. And I've got some thyme, roasted garlic, rosemary, and Italian seasoning. I'm going to throw some of each in there and just flavor it up as I see fit. But it's not quite done, so I'm going to eat it tomorrow. It's the broth from the cooking the collard greens, and then garbanzo beans, green peas, onions, tomatoes, a little bit of cilantro, and a bunch of spices. So it has different options. This is keep warm. You can turn high. This is low. High, that'll cook faster if you want to just keep warm after it's cooked. You don't want to keep it cooking. Or you can make it cook slowly. Depends on what you want to do in your recipe. So let's say I'm going to cook it high. And I want to do the time, so it goes up in 30-minute increments. I guess you can keep going up until like 99.99. And then, of course, when you're done, you can do keep warm. And then I don't think keep warm doesn't have a timer. Well, yeah, keep warm is just keep warm until you turn it off. And then, of course, low, you can do the time. So I've already been eating it with bread and butter. So I've already eaten it a bit. Totally forgot about doing the video. It's a little watery. I could put rice in it. It'll make it thicker. But I figured since it's with bread that I'm eating it, I'm getting one more. Oh, I'm getting full. I better not eat so much. But I figured it would be good with bread, which it is. It's perfect. And if you want a thicker soup, this is very watery. But if you wanted a thicker, you could put maybe potatoes in it, or maybe I like brown basmati rice, or just rice. I don't usually put noodles, because noodles, to me, they tend to get too big. And but rice or potatoes would be good to make it a little thicker. But it's good just how it is, especially with the bread.
Here we go.